Count out 14 Smarties. Divide the Smarties into 2 equal groups. How many Smarties are in each group? I'm going to count out my 14 Smarties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and our 14th Smartie. And how many equal groups? It says divide the Smarties into 2 equal groups. So I'm going to make my groups. I'm going to start them off. Group 1 and Group 2. So I'm going to give each group 1 Smartie at a time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, how many Smarties are in each group? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So you go to your answer, and you type in 7.